Hello students, in previous class we had discussed about distance formula to calculate distance between 2 points. That formula was x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or simply a difference of x coordinate, its square, plus difference of y coordinate, its square in a root. This is the distance between, formula for distance between 2 points. Now we'll discuss few more questions. Here the question is, find a point on x-axis. Okay, there is a point on x-axis which is equidistant from A and B. Okay, so this is a rough diagram. Let this is your x-axis, this is point A and this is point B, and here this is the point on x-axis. Let it is P. This is point on x-axis. Suppose this is your x-axis. Now according to question, this point P on x-axis is equidistance from A as well as to B. So this point is equidistance from A as well as from B. It means PA, distance PA is equals to distance PB. Or if we square both sides, then PA square is equals to PB square. Now coordinate of A are 2, minus 5 and coordinates of B are minus 2, 9. Let coordinate of this point P on x-axis is x, y. Okay, this is the coordinate of this point P. Now just remember one thing, that if a point is on x-axis, then its y coordinate is equals to 0. If a point lies on x-axis, then its y coordinate is 0. So this point is x, 0. Okay. If point lies on y-axis, okay, if this is a line and point lies on y-axis, x, y, then its x coordinate is 0. So point on x-axis, y coordinate will be 0. Now point on y-axis, its x coordinate will be 0. Okay, so a point on x-axis, so its y coordinate will be equals to 0. Now we'll find distance AP or PA. So that is difference of x coordinate. Already we have square, so I will not use this square root because here it was AB. Now if I have AB square, then we will not use this square root. So as we have square here, the formula will be just difference of x coordinate, its square, plus difference of y coordinate and its square. Now for PA, x coordinate is x and for A, x coordinate is 2. So it becomes x minus 2 a square plus. Now difference of y coordinate, so y coordinate is 0 and here y coordinate is minus 5. So minus 5. Difference of y coordinate, it's a square. Similarly for PB, so x coordinate of P is x, so it is x, and x coordinate of B is minus 2. So minus 2 square plus y coordinate of P is 0 and y coordinate of B is 9. So 0 minus 9 whole square. Now using A minus B whole square, this can be written as x square plus 4 minus 4x plus minus and minus plus, so it is plus 5 and its square is 25. Here it becomes x minus plus, so it becomes x plus 2 whole square. Again I will use a plus b whole square. So it becomes x square. Square of 2 is 4 plus 4x plus minus 9 square is plus, and 9 is 81. X square and x square will be cancelled. Now I will keep all the like terms at one side. So let minus 4x to be here. I will bring this 4x again in this side. So it becomes minus 4x. 4 and 81, that is 85, minus 25, transposition of 25, and minus 4. Here it becomes minus 8x and 85 minus 25, that is 60, 60 minus plus 56. Now x is equals to 56 upon minus 8 by cross multiplication. So it is minus 7. So point P, that is x comma 0, is also equals to minus 7 comma 0. So this is the required point. Okay, we will solve another example. Here coordinates of 3 points are given: 1 and minus 1, 5, 2, 9 and 5. And the question says that prove that they are collinear. They are collinear. Now what is collinear? Points if lies on the same line. 3 points, if they lies on the same line, then we will call it collinear. Let it is P, Q and R. The 3 points are P, Q and R. So if they are collinear, then we will see that this PQ, this length PQ plus QR, this length QR is equals to PR. So this is possible only when the 3 points lies on the same line, that PQ plus QR is equals to PR. So let this point is A, consider this as B and this is C. Now what we will do, we will calculate AB, BC and AC. All the 3 possibilities we have: AB, BC and AC. Now AB, we can do it very quickly. See how? AB, so this is A and this is B. So difference of x coordinate. So here x coordinate is 1, here x coordinate is 5. So simply 1 minus 5 or 5 minus 1, we can write anything. 1 minus 5 and a square plus difference of y coordinate. So here y coordinate is minus 1 and here y coordinate is 2. Minus 1 minus 2 square. Now do it orally. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Square of minus 4 is 16. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Square of minus 3 is 9. So root 16 plus 9, that is root 25, and this is equals to 5. Now we will calculate BC. This is B and this is C. Again same formula, difference of x coordinate. So here x coordinate is 5, here x coordinate is 9. So 5 minus 9 square plus difference of y coordinate, 2 minus 5. Now 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Square of minus 4 is 16. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Square of minus 3 is 9. Again this is root 16 plus 9, that is equals to root 25 or 5. Now we will calculate AC. So this is your A and this is C. Difference of x coordinates. So 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. Difference of x coordinate. Here x coordinate is 1. Here x coordinate is 9. So 1 minus 9 plus difference of y coordinate. So minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 square. Now 1 minus 9 is minus 8 and square of minus 8 is 64. Minus 1 and minus 5 is minus 6 and the square of minus 6 is 36. If we'll add it, it becomes root 100. Okay, square root of 100 and it is equals to 10. Now just see AB and BC. If we add the two, that is 5 and 5, we obtain value equals to 10. So I will write that AB plus BC is equals to AC. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. So AB plus BC is equals to AC. Now this is the condition that says that point A, B and C are collinear. Now consider this question. If the point 2 comma 1 and 1 minus 2, so there are 2 points, this is the coordinate of first point and this is the coordinate of second point, are equidistant from xy. Let this is point A, this is point B and this is point B. As the 2 points are equidistant from this point, equidistance, it means the distance of A to P and distance of B to P is equal. So I will write that this AP is equals to BP. Again I will take square both sides. So it becomes AP square is equals to BP square. Now AP is the distance between A and P. Coordinate of A is 2, 1 and coordinate of P is xy and coordinate of B is 1 and minus 2. So distance AP is equals to difference of x coordinate, that is x minus 2. Difference of y coordinate, that is y minus 1 whole square. Now for BP, difference of x coordinate, that is x minus 1. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2. Difference of y coordinate, that is y minus 2 whole square. Now using a minus b whole square, here it is x square plus 4 minus 4x. Here it becomes y square plus 1 minus 2y. Here it becomes x square plus 1 minus 2x and minus plus, so it becomes y plus 2 whole square. So it becomes y square, square of 2 is 4 plus 2 into 2, 4y. Now x square will be cancelled with x square, y square will be cancelled with this y square. Okay. Now minus 4x and minus 2x. Minus 4x, this minus 2x will become plus 2x, minus 2y minus 2y, and here we have plus 4y, that becomes minus 4y. Now put all the constant to the right hand side. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. 1 plus 4, that is 5, and 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is plus 5, and here it becomes minus 5. Now minus 4x plus 2x, this is minus 2x, and this is 2y minus 4y, it becomes minus 6y. 5 and 5 minus 5 will be equals to 0. Now I can take minus 2 as common. So minus 2 is common, so here I have x plus 3y is equals to 0. Now I told you the product of two numbers are equals to 0. Okay, so if a into b is equals to 0, it means either a is 0 or b is 0. Here minus 2, definitely it is not equals to 0, it means this is equals to 0. So I will write x plus 3y is equals to 0. Or we can simply do the cross multiplication. If minus 2 will come to denominator of 0, it is 0, or we can use this concept also. So this is x plus 3y is equals to 0. Now just watch this video before the live class. Okay, I will give you some questions also. Try to solve it. And if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.